So we're upstairs working in the barn, and we got to replace all the floorboards over there and clean up all this stuff. But the majority of these floorboards all here are good. So we're gonna finish cleaning this up, put the floorboards over there, and then go from there. So we're getting there, getting everything cleaned up. Most of that's pulled out now. Doors are open, let a breeze come through, and we're working on the floor. So slowly getting there, but at least it's cooled off a little bit. Not seeing 37 to 40 some degree weather, so best time to do it. Yep. So I'm just having to walk through the pigs area here. See it. And for the most part, they got her pretty cleared up. But you gotta walk through every now and then and make sure there's not stuff up over their line, which they always get. If there's stuff over their line, it'll ground it out, which will make it not as effective for keeping them in. So we go along every now and then, and usually once every few days, just make sure that they don't have it covered with stuff. So like here. So I'm gonna go along and just check the whole line, but they're doing a pretty good job of clearing it and leveling it. So that's the idea. They do the work of clearing and leveling the land. We come behind them, we cut out the smaller trees and get all the branches and that out, chip it up, and then hopefully later this fall we can put down grass seed, and come mid-spring, summer, we'll have a nice nice addition to the pasture. So I'm gonna go ahead, go around, do that, and then back in a bit.
What are you doing?
I'm videotaping.
I am a video tape.
Somehow we made it to the end of their time in the brooder and never lost one. They're at the ugly stage where they have almost all of their feathers, but they're not a pretty white yet. Their head is still fuzzy. It'll probably just be 2 or 3 more days, and these guys will get a nice home out in the field in a chicken tractor. For the life of me, I don't understand how we didn't lose not one out of the whole batch. But I'm not complaining.